You don't just build companies, you help shape the future itself. Born in Pretoria, South Africa, you were never an ordinary child. At just 12 years old, you created and sold your very first video game. Your father was strict. Your childhood was lonely and difficult, so you escaped into books, reading nearly 10 hours every single day. At 17, you left South Africa with almost nothing to your name. First Canada, then Pennsylvania, then Stanford for only 2 days. You walked away to chase something bigger than a college degree. Zip2 became your first company. You even slept on a couch at the office. At just 27, you sold it for more than $300 million. Then you launched X.com, which later became PayPal, and sold it too. $1.5 billion. And you invested almost all of it again. Tesla, SpaceX, Solar City. You built them all around the same time. Almost everyone said you would fail, experts and investors alike. SpaceX came within inches of bankruptcy. 3 rockets failed. Then the 4th launch succeeded, saving SpaceX with only hours to spare. Today, SpaceX is worth more than $200 billion. Tesla went from being laughed at to becoming the world's most valuable car company. Then you bought Twitter for $44 billion and renamed it X. Love him or hate him, you changed the world while everyone watched. This is the life of Elon Musk, the man who refused to give up.